Hi Happy Knitters, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is a special addition to our normal podcast. This is not a podcast. This is just...
it's a mini.
It's a mini. No, it's not even a mini. Anyway, I wanted to come on to talk about real briefly some of the prizes that you can win for the 12 Days of Christmas KAL 2019 giveaway, which ends this Friday at midnight. I just wanted to come on and just do a short little segment. What are y'all doing?
She's staring dead to the left.
Okay. Anyway, Alexis is with me. Alexis, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. She just got through having a Christmas program, and so yeah, want to shout out to Alana, who I saw there tonight. Alana Knits 1 on Instagram. Hi. So okay, so let's get started just real quick. I want to show you some of the prizes that you can win for this KAL to get you motivated to push through and get those projects done by this Friday. Okay, one of the prizes is a lot of these you've seen on the show before,
podcast.
But the podcast
on the show,
podcast. But I just wanted to show these to you real briefly. So this is the Yarnable, one of the Yarnable subscriptions that I showed in the earlier podcast. This is Hypnotic Yarns. This was her sail away colorway. That is going to be a prize. Everybody's going to get a skein of yarn or 2 skeins of yarn and some other goodies as well. So another one is going to be another Yarnable subscription, which was the Express Yourself colorway, which is also which is also a beautiful colorway. It's a coffee colorway, and with that you are going to also get, so if you are a coffee lover, that's right up your alleyway. So that's a prize as well. And then moving on quickly, let's look at some of these wonderful other prizes. We've got some Knitology, which is a worsted weight, and it is 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. And look at that colorway. This colorway is, I don't know how you say that, pachyderm or something like that. That's a beautiful blue color. These two will remain together so that you guys can knit something gorgeous. So moving on, like I said, I'm not going to show you all of the colorways. I'm just going to try to get through some of these so you can be motivated. This colorway is Tiger Lily. It is 20% baby alpaca, 32% organic cotton. Look at this colorway. And it is kind of blown out by the lights, but it's an orangey tangerine-ish color. So you can knit something beautiful with that as well. Okay. And let me show you one more. And this is going to be Uru Yarns, and it is 85% merino wool, 15% silk. These two will go together as well. So how about that? Beautiful color. So I'm going to try to make sure that if I have 2 skeins of the same color, that those two go together so that you can knit some great stuff. I've also got these little cute little charms. This one says, let's see, oops. This one says yarn on it. It's a little yarn ball.
Yarn.
And then we have a little tape measure. Let's see if you can see that, a little tape measure. Also, and like I said, I've got a couple different charms. Also, everyone will receive this beautiful woven project bag that you can use for whatever you want to. Everyone will end up getting one of those as well. So like I said, I've got several other yarn choices available for the 12 Days of Christmas KAL giveaway, but I just wanted to come on briefly, say hello. There's going to be some other things that I have not shown you. So yeah, Jordan, what should they do? What should they do in order to win?
I don't remember the rules.
You don't remember the rules. 50 grams. You must knit or crochet with 50 grams of yarn. You must have one entry only. There is a chatter thread and a finished objects thread on Ravelry. So in order to be considered for prizes, you must put your finished object in the finished objects thread on Ravelry. And like I said, it has to be done by midnight. December, what's this Friday? 13th, I think.
Well,
yeah.
Okay.
December 13th.
Done midnight, December 13th. So early in the morning.
Early in the morning and before December 14th, 12:01 a.m.
Okay.
That's Central Standard Time. So not Central, yeah, Central Standard Time. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and say that. Anything else, Jordan, before we'll go back to our regular podcasting, hopefully here in the near future. But yeah.
Are we gonna have one before the end of the year?
Yeah, we'll have one before the end of the year. I would love to have done Vlogmas, where we vlogged every day, and I might still throw some of those in, but it won't be an everyday thing because I really don't have time. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them below in the description, in the box below, and I'll try to get those answered before the end of the KAL. Okay? That's it. Okay, you guys have a wonderful week, and I hope to see more prizes. More entries into the giveaway. Okay, bye-bye.